Now so when hunger don't dey everywhere, now so you go to see different thing. I come news. You see what sometimes say do some people go dey ask, I go even ask myself questions, say I don't know whether as in whether some people they take opportunity of anything where they see, they use as in like imagine say they read news, I can't see one Bayo Adedosu, something like Adedosu, something like that. Sorry do I pronounce the name. Abi Igbo girl, no be Yoruba girl. The person can just even put the thing for Twitter. Say he go provide how much be the money? 150,000 for anybody in the comment side for the original piece of what happened for Lekki Toll Gate, the shooting for Lekki Toll Gate. In short, as I read the thing, I got the same way too. So the one you say DJ Switch bring come out when he be say they can't delete from internet, that one not be real one. She bring out video. Now when I see threaten the girl life until the girl come enter asylum for Canada. You understand? So she did for Nigeria. She did a video of exactly what happened in Lekki Toll Gate. When I begin threatening her life until this poor girl now don't come for Nigeria. Then now they as if say una never see anybody, una just they make sure say you know what they do, una nobody be fool. See youth, no agree. You see this 150,000, no allow 150,000. Carry una go where we say una not supposed to go. This 150,000 say this guy they put so now set up. Now 150,000 for 150 years is in jail because they look and say since he say they threaten all the youths them, then everybody can they keep their evidence so they get. Everybody can they keep them. Now maybe they won't can they use money. They won't put that for front because if you say youth, then be dog when they say they find poo or then be cats when they say they find fish. That is why they can't bring. They want to put a ransom now so that as in they want to tag price money put so that you to say you don't get sense. We go carry safe come out. Okay, I see the real. You know what they do? More than not even try and youth. More than not let all these people use our brain. What do they try to do now? Be same. They want make sure say if anybody gets the real proof, so now go they bring a comment. As they bring a comment side, they go they delete them. That's what they want to. DJ Switch be say he bring the real video. He say let they shoot protesters for Lekki Toll Gate. When I pursue the girl life, terrorize the girl life until the girl don't leave Nigeria. Even when she even leave Nigeria, Mr. Igwokwe still come out. They tell the girl say that they wait for her when she go come back to Nigeria. Say that they wait for her. They even they swear for the girl. Now the same now come outside say a prize is tagged when you bring out the original piece that happened in Lekki Toll Gate. 150,000 will be awarded to the person. What if 150,000? Can 150,000 feed somebody in 3 months? No, no, that they use our head. Nobody they use our. We don't use our head. Youth. You see, what did they grant so? Make everybody they careful. Make everybody they careful. If you know say you involve for this protest, make everybody they careful. Not allow any small amount of money put it for where you say you don't go even expect yourself. Because what did they try to do now? So this new system of say 150,000 for anybody that bring out the original piece. Now for them to clear evidence for grant. If they no say their nyash no go expose, they for not delete that DJ Switch video from online or from internet. But even as they delete that video, that will not mean say that video not there. The international human rights is still a fight against them. The international law is still fighting against Nigerian government, especially Lagos State. Imagine what did they do today? Tinubu go deny. Next tomorrow Tinubu go accept. Today Tinubu go deny. Next tomorrow Tinubu go accept. Army come, army not come. So the army safe. Come they some go even to say buruta they come and say yes that the way Sanwo-Olu they invite soldier when they take go for the protest fight say it good like that. Then army come again toss on our water. Now they serve us water before we see again. They say they give us blank bullets. So all these things and I say they don't know what they go do again. before they see Tinubu say he don't know about, Tinubu say they deny Sanwo-Olu go deny Tinubu go deny Sanwo-Olu. So now they don't dey turn around, they don't sit down for their meeting, they don't know, say they fear against tomorrow, say the Youth international bodies go do that. Now they go, they bring up this award, they want to attach money to it. Youth, EndSARS protesters, EndSARS panels, EndSARS body, EndSARS rights. See, you people should not even allow anything, and no amount of money will make you do this. Bring out any peace. If they find the peace, may they find and go where they say those dead body, they say we not see, say army carry take. May they go find and go there. They don't know where the army barrack there. They say they don't know how. They not be army. They not send army. Army maybe say come from sky. May they go meet those army so that those army could provide what they want for them. Now so it just be. May the army provide those pieces that they find. So may the army provide them for them. Because they see that too much. The physical person are fool. Nobody be fool. They hear me so. Nobody be fool. None of you use anybody head for this Nigeria. None of use our head rich. So if now they use any means, any corner, any plan, so I no go fit get the youth them. Una no go fit. You maybe say you get 150,000 naira. 150,000. Keep your 150,000 naira. 150,000 cannot buy truth. 150,000 cannot key truth. 150,000 cannot silence what you see what happen for this Nigeria, for that Lagos, Gongoga, that Lekki toll gate. Those souls they say they lost. That 150,000 no fit silent am. Okay, imagine now that boy now see he see there with bullets. You see there with bullet for inside his leg. Bullet see there with the boy for over for some weeks now. Bullet see inside that boy leg. Bullet see the leg. Even those say they go even waka, they all the Davido them flavor say they go even look into this matter. When I use court case till they disturb them up and down. Now make as in you see Nigeria. God, let me pray, say God, may God just send the angels so that angels will just destroy people when we say they fight against the betterment of this country. Okay, now all the feminists say they look into, they still look this youth, they say then get injury. When I carry case, they disturb them up and down. When I carry case, they disturb them up and down. So this people now not get time. But they even look into those who say they get injuries in the hospital. Only once if someone will visit, that's what the matter at end. Someone will visit the hospital, will not hear about them again. Those people now shows they not go regret why they fight for the protest, for the betterment of this country. Not be for them to say they will get regression in their mind, so they will regret. Not be him. Those people that they go into true pains. Nobody they go into their matter. Nobody they go look them. All those people now they deal with pains there. Bullets they inside somebody leg. Not be death. Now they want me that. Not be death that they call for that boy. Not be want me the boy die. Then now they come out with your useless gift of 150,000. If you get the real piece. What do your camera? What do your camera? When you see the apple, you not be Nigeria you dey. What make you not go video? So now so the matter just any YouTube say if you say won't put himself into problem, may the person carry any evidence and he gets, may go show them, because they want make sure say they gather all the evidence so that they will silence this matter, and this matter not go ever silence. The case go still keep on going. Now everything else make I can't drop here.